Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cooking on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make shrimp ceviche. In a large pot, bring 1 quart of salted water to a boil. Add the shrimp and blanch for 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on the size of the shrimp. Drain the shrimp and place it into an ice bath to stop cooking for 1 minute. Drain the shrimp from the ice bath and place into the glass bowl. Mix in the lime juice, garlic, red onion, tomatoes, jalapeño, cilantro, salt, pepper, soy sauce, and mix well. Add the avocado and gently fold in. Cover and refrigerate for 1 hour. Serve with your favorite tortilla chips for a delicious light appetizer for your Cinco de Mayo. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.